Welcome back to our channel, guys. This could be the best passive income idea. 3 ways to make money in Binance. Okay, so passive money, guys. Okay, passive income. Okay, how you can make passive income in Binance. Okay, so 3 ways are available in Binance. Hope you all know about Binance Exchange. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so guys, this is the Binance Exchange homepage. You all know that. So this is the homepage. So here there's a more option. Okay, so click on more option. So the page will get open. Okay, so scroll down. So here is the thing, guys. Okay, so here is a topic called in that option, the fourth option will be savings. Okay, the first passive income method from Binance is savings, guys. Okay, so click on savings. So the savings page will be opening. Okay, so here, by saving your crypto, you can earn passive income, guys. Okay, by just saving. Okay, if you are holding for a long term, or if you are holding for a mid term, okay, you can hold in this savings. Okay, if you are holding in this savings, okay, you will be getting good amount of returns, good amount of passive income, guys. Okay, so example, okay, here I am taking. Okay, so AXS coin. Okay, APY and trend. Okay, so 20% APY tire rate. Okay, 20% APY tire rate they are giving. So I am clicking on subscribe. Okay, so enter amount minimum 0.01x we need to stake here. Okay, 0.01 minimum we need to save here. Okay, so subscription date is today's date and interest distribution date is 8th. Okay, so 2 days once the interest distribution date they are distributing, and here we can click and we can add amount AXS and we can confirm, means we will be subscribing ASX coin, guys. Okay, so if we are subscribing every 2 days, I will be getting this passive income because of holding this ASX coin. Okay, so like that, this pancake. Okay, pancake also 0.01 cake we can save here minimum. Okay, so tier 1 12% they are giving, guys. Okay, tier 2 is 2%, that much they are giving. So like this we can stake any coin. Okay, here a lot of coins they are given. Okay, lot of coins, and video or 1 inch IV ADA, all the coins they are given. We can stake any coin you want. Okay, so here is locked option. Okay, locked option is there. Okay, click on locked option. So AX is there. Okay, so annual interest rate 25%. If you want for annual interest 25%, for 7 days you can subscribe here. Okay, click on subscribe. For 7 days or 15 days you can subscribe here. Okay, so 7 days how much you want to hold for access, or 15 days you want to hold, you can click on the amount of access and you can click on tick mark and you can confirm, guys. Okay, so like that you can subscribe for 7 days or 15 days also. You can lock this coin and you can make money. This is passive income, guys. Okay, every 2 days, every week you will be getting passive income. Okay, so that much this one will be a good one. Okay, so this is the first method, and the second method will be staking in Binance. Okay, so staking, you all know that, guys. Okay, here it is. By staking the coin we will be getting rewards. Okay, here is the coin ICP. Okay, annualized interest rate is 25.3% they are giving. Okay, we can hold it for how much days we want, we can hold it, guys. Okay, like 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days we can hold it. Okay, so how much days we want, we can click on the days and enter the ICP amount we have to stake here, and click on the tick mark and we can confirm. Okay, so if you are confirming, our subscription will start, and we can every 30 days or 60 days for passive income we will be getting, guys. Okay, passive income, that's the best one, guys. Minimum 0.1 ICP, maximum 10 ICP we can stake here. Okay, so like that, ICP, Luna, KSM, Matic, BSW, OGN, Dot, lot of coins are here. Okay, so another one, DeFi staking, BUSD, Ethereum, BTC, DYDX. This also we can stake here. Flexible or 120 days. Okay, so how much days you want, you can decide it, and you can make staking here. Okay, this is another one option. So the minimum amount is 0.01 BUSD, maximum is 100 BUSD. Okay, like that you can hold it and passive rewards here, guys. Okay, so this is the second method, and the third one will be dual investment. Okay guys, so dual investment will be like any coin if you are holding in the portfolio. Okay, any coin here holding the portfolio, I mean Binance portfolio, we can earn money. Okay, so example BNB I'm here giving here. Okay, deposit BNB and we can earn 2.5 to 668% APY, guys. 2.52. Just click on subscribe. Okay, we need to start a quiz method will come. Okay, so if you are completing quiz method, we can subscribe here. Okay, so lot of coins available, ADA, Dot, BCH, Matic, Luna, any coins you want, you can click on subscribe in this dual investment, and you can earn as much of as possible. You can earn the rewards. Okay, so like that, these are the three methods you can earn passive income in Binance, guys. Okay, the first one will be savings method. By saving your crypto, you can earn rewards every 2 days. Okay, the second one will be staking also, how much days you want, you can stake it, and every day you can claim more rewards. Every day you can getting passive income. Okay, this is the second one. And third one will be dual investment. Dual investment is also same. Which crypto you want to subscribe in dual investment, we can subscribe here and we can earn a passive income, guys. Okay guys, this is the three methods of earning passive income in Binance, guys. I hope you will like this video. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Okay, so don't miss it. If you have a portfolio in Binance, just make it and subscribe and make passive income in Binance, guys. Okay, so thank you so much. We'll see you in another great video, guys.